Hey guys, just wanted to follow up on that last video I showed you. This is actually the capacitor that I just showed you. You can see it bulging out pretty clear compared to a normal capacitor. See how that's recessed the way it is? But yeah, so if I've read, when you read a capacitor, you want to look for microfarads to read the capacitance. So if I was going across and reading the capacitance, it has 0 microfarads. That's not good. You want it at the what the rating should be. For this one, it's 45 for the compressor. If I go to the other one, see it going right up, 45. That's what you want. But you know, without doing the testing and stuff, you can just visually, you can just look at it and you can see the difference. Pretty obvious. You know that one's bad, that one's good. You don't want it bulging up like that. It's a bad sign. So just want to show you guys what are obvious signs of a capacitor, just because it's so common. And it's pretty easy to see a capacitor most of the time. But if you have a problem with it, again, don't go changing it out. There's a lot of things that can go wrong. Just not shutting off a circuit breaker and accidentally testing it or touching it while there's still voltage to it is a real bad thing. That would be really painful and it could be deadly. So don't try it. Just call someone up. At least you'll know what's going on, and you'll know what's probably wrong with it as they fix it. All right. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.